We've got a visitor, this noisy Mini. Full of bloody hooligans in this street, I'm telling you now. Watch that lovely Skoda. All the boy racers are out to play in this winter day. Welcome back to the channel. And say hello to his face.
The lovely face.
Anyway, today's video, yes, I've still got my hat on, yes, I've still got my Karuma hoodie on, yes, I haven't changed. Well, I have changed technically, but never mind. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are servicing Skoda. I am trying to look after this car because the last daily driver I didn't really look after it. So we're going to do an oil and filters changes and all that stuff. My driveway is kind of cambered down, okay, so but the sun plug is at the back. So after much discussion with Dan, we're going to try and turn the car around. But Graham has parked his Mini in the back. He's on the phone, and I can't be bothered to wait for him to be off the phone. So we're going to try something. I'm going to try and do a 3-point turn on my driveway. Dan's going to film it for me. So if I fail, you've been framed. Here we come.
He's got parking sensors.
Oh, is he? It's kind of on.
Wait, I just. Literally just. The subframe touched ever so slightly.
How's that one?
It scraped the sludge off your subframe. Is that as hard left as it goes? Jesus. And there you go, you turn around. What was that? 50-point turn?
And that, folks, is how you don't drive. Bloody Nora. I've been underneath the car and I have got the under tray off, which looks a lot to be desired. But it needs to stay on because it's an old car and it leaks oil. Burns oil, it leaks oil, so it needs to stay on because I don't want the oil all over the driveway. I'm really trying to clean up that patch from the GTO. And that patch, and yeah, all the other patches. So I'm looking for a socket that's going to fit my sun plug, because I can't remember what size it is. Did you find out what size it is?
17. You ready for a lucky guess?
He reckons it's a 17.
And it's a 19. That's close.
That's a 19. 19?
19, aye.
I've got Graham holding the camera because my hands are black. Filter's out. It was a bit of a mission getting out. Bit of a gentle persuasion. But yeah, got a filter out. Some plugs back in.
Yeah, I'm just not throwing it.
Okay, some plug is going back in as we speak. Oil is out. And now we're going to change the filter over for the oil, and then we'll do the fuel filter as well. Minging. Filter's out. Putting the new filter in. The last time I did this, that there where it's silver was black, literally black, and the diesel coming out of it was black. And then we can put some oil in there. I've discovered one thing though. The track right end on that side is a bit naff. It's gonna have to be changed, unfortunately. More expensive on cars. So I've had to switch cameras because the other camera died. Then I tried to use my phone and my phone died. So we're on the third camera now. Update, oil has been put in the car. It's off its stand, there's shit everywhere. I've put the, the under tray. I've put the under tray back on. It was a bit of a bitch to do. No, sorry. Put the under tray back on, it was a bit of a mare to do, can't be swearing. The temperature has considerably dropped. It looks like I'm smoking again. Everything is put away, kind of thing. Fortunately, Dan reminded me to prime it because it's diesel, all this shit that when you've had filters out. I wouldn't have done that because I forgot about that. Now is the time that we can start it up, and hopefully everything is as it should be. Make sure it's out of gear. It's up against rocks. Here goes nothing. Is that you tapping the damn car? The look on his face, and I was like, that's a new noise. And the look on his face, I was like, what the hell? He's so good shit. Twat? Absolute twat. Heart was in my mouth. Jesus. Right, we'll try this again.
Oh, that was worth it.
Oh, that's better. I was thinking, looking around. Right, well I'm going to end the vlog there after that wind up from Dan. The car is running well and we've done another successful job. Skoda. We've got some work to do on this side of the car though. I'm going to have to address that at some point. But other than that, the car is now serviced one more time. Thank you very much for joining me. Obviously, like I said the last video, I don't like asking for these things with like, share, subscribe, all this crap. But yeah, I've got to. It's everything, you know. Anyway, you know what to do. Until next time.